Hello once again and welcome to NeuroForge, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you two best mobile applications for both Android and iOS for running Python. Many people have been encountering challenges of running Python codes on their mobile devices, and in this tutorial we shall be discovering the two best applications so far have discovered for running Python code on our mobile devices. So all these applications are found on the Play Store or the App Store. Since I'm using an Android operating system, I'll go directly to the Play Store. So it will load and I have to search. The application is called Coding Python. So it's Coding then Python. Then I'll search for it. So there are very many applications there, but there is this application which is already installed onto my device. Let me click onto it. It's the second from the top. So it's like that. It's called in Python. Then this is KVSSU. Then it contains all that stuff. So it's all about you installing it, and it's already installed onto my phone. So let me open it and we see some of its features. So it will load, and by default it will provide you with this startup template or a startup Python code, and it's very simple, whereby it's having a lot of controls, whereby when you click onto the menu you will see something like format. Do you want to format this code? You can open an existing Python file from any location from your phone. You can save as onto your phone in any directory. You can clear this screen and you create a new. So when I press clear, and they will ask me, oh, the code will be cleared. Are you sure I want to do that? Okay, it will disappear. Then coming back to menu, there is where there is hello world. So hello world is the default text in this application. When I click it, all code will be replaced with hello world code. Are you sure I want to do that? It's okay. So the starter template will come back when you access the hello world. And about the settings, if you are interested in changing the font, you come to settings. Then there is font size. So there are different variations. We have tiny, they are very small. We have small, normal, big, large. So it depends on which type of font you are interested in. So I'll take the normal. Then I'll be like, it's okay. I'll press back. Then again, I'll press back. I can come here and I clear this screen. I print something, and the other feature is when you are going to type your code, it provides a lot of features. I think we are all seeing this horizontal bar near our keyboard, which is having tab, the parenthesis, the quotes, the semicolon, etc. So I can start from there and I can say print. Then I would look for these. The brackets are there. When you scroll to your left, you click them. You can bring the double quotes and you say hello world. Can even put an exclamation mark if I'm interested. So if I'm interested in running this code, even you can zoom to increase the font. If you are not interested in going to the settings, I will just run my code from here, and they will say hello world, process completed. Then I can press enter. Assuming this code had an error, it will show me that the code is having an error. So when I run it, they will tell me that, oops, syntax error, unexpected. I think we are all seeing that. Say okay. When I put it back, and I run it again, it will be working okay. So this is one of those applications. Now the second application is called PyDroid 3. So let us go to the Play Store and we type in it's PyDroid 3. Then let me search for it. So it's also already installed and it's the second from the top. So when I open it, it will load and it will be like, welcome to PyDroid 3, the ultimate Python coding experience designed for Android, for your Android device. So I'll continue. So they will ask me some questions. What's your goal? Learning Python. Let me go with that. Continue. Then I begin. I will say yes. Then what types of program are you planning to run? So I'll take the simple, terminal, and web. Then they will be like, let us tweak preferences. Let me just continue without. So they'll be like creating the IDE. The other thing is this application is kind of having premium subscriptions, but it's very okay. You can continue without any of those premium subscriptions. So let me just close this. So that's how the application looks like inside. So it's kind of similar to the first one, but this one is kind of bit more advanced compared to the first one, because compared to this application, it's having many things. So when I click on the 3 horizontal bars in my top left corner, I'll get the title, which is new, of that document I'm working on. So they are telling me there are some premium, so they want me to get the premium, but if I'm not interested, there will be something like an interpreter. So this application has an inbuilt interpreter. It has a terminal. Then there is pip. We are going to see all this. So when I press the terminal, they will take me to the normal terminal, similar to the one on the computer interface. So you can do anything from the terminal. So when I go back and I select again, I can go to the other one was an interpreter. So this is a terminal now. Again, this is similar to the one of the computers themselves. Can go back again, can check. Now pip will allow me to install different libraries. So if you know the name, it's better you search it from here. But remember, we have talked of some premium features. So some libraries you need to pay to access them. So there is where there is quick install. You will see that TensorFlow is premium only, OpenCV, even Touch. But now you can see that PySide, others are free, so you can install any depending on your need. Then there is where there is the folder icon. When I click it, there you can create a new Python document. You can open an existing document from your phone. You can save, or you can save to any other location on your phone. And this one will just close this drop down. Then there are also the 3 dots. When I click them, they can help me undo, redo, search, or I can go to the next line. And the other thing before I forget is that when you click this right here in the corner, there are some samples. When you click samples, they will be like basic, numpy, this is matplotlib, any. So when I select basic, I can get some simple syntax like a welcome. So when I say extract all open, it's the same. So I'll extract from that file and I open it. So they will put for me print hello world. So that is a default text inside this application. So if you are interested in running the application, there is where there is this yellow button on the bottom of my phone. When I click it, it will be like, yes, hello world, program finished. I can go back. I can do anything. I can again print. So it's also having these options similar to the ones of the other applications, but these are kind of few, or they are not few, but they are in a horizontal font, so you'll be required to scroll more to your left or to your right to get what you want. So just print hello. Just hello me now. So again, I'll run it and it'll be like, even it's not hello, it's hello, but it's okay. So basically these are the two best applications you can go with if you are trying to code via mobile devices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you can receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Give us a thumbs up so that it can motivate us to create more content for you to suit your desires. Thank you.